Okay, I've got my Whirlpool washer and dryer. It's an Ultimate Care Super Capacity Plus on these guys, and they are in excellent shape. Excellent condition. This guy's going through a full heavy load right now. Of course, it's gone through a full inspection and everything checked out great. Just letting you get a listen for it. It's got 8-cycle 2-speed motor on it. Plenty of different options here for the various things you might wash. Let you get a look at that. And agitation works great. It keeps cycling back and forth between a strong agitation and then a softer agitation, just based on what I have it set on. And what I'm going to let it do is run through its full cycle here. And then when it comes to the spin cycle and it gets moving real fast, I'll come back and let you listen to that. Then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer and have you listen to that. Coming up on that final spin cycle, and it's draining all the water out right now. Okay, and it is in the final spin cycle now. It's up to about full speed. Show you that it is spinning nice and fast. Lid switch works. Sounds great. It's not off balance or wobbly or anything like that, and there's no weird noises. Those are all things you'd want to check for. So we'll go ahead and let this finish up and I'll show you that dryer. Okay, that has finished up. See, that's nice and cleaned out. Got those clothes moved over to the dryer. Nice and full. I've actually already been running it, but I wanted to show you. We're just going to set it on time dry and hit go. Well, you can hear it run. Sounds good. It's nice and smooth. It's not bumping around or making any weird noises. And those are, of course, always things you want to check. And I'm going to show you that it is, in fact, heating like it's supposed to be. Temperature gun will shoot it right in here. That's where the heat actually comes out. And then the inside temperature will get anywhere from 100 to 195. Just kind of depends on what you have it set to. So there you go. You just push this button here to start it. And then your auto dries over here. Otherwise you can just do time dry, whichever way you want to go with it. But there you have it. You can see now that they are in excellent shape. Everything works as it should. That way you know what you get and what you're spending your money on works when you get it home, plug it in. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.